Come again? What? You said I can't eat bacon anymore. No more. No, hell no. No, we can't do this vegan thing. Cut it out. Whack it out. Nope. Pause. So, what's up, everybody? Yeah, you saw the video. You see it. You see it. I am going 100% vegan, and it is a life choice. I'm not gonna go ahead and just say, oh, be a vegan no matter what. Yo, no, you gotta live your life for you. So, living your life for you on your terms is something totally what only you can do. Follow me with this journey. If you've already subscribed, like this video, comment below, tell me what you guys like to eat, because I need some new ideas. If you are vegan, hit me up, let me know what's going on. If you're not vegan and you want to learn some recipes that I've learned throughout the year that I've been really practicing this lifestyle, and now that I'm actually fully immersed in it, there's vegetables and different things like fruits and all that, but it's really good. And you learn how to recook everything. So if you're really wanting to learn about it, let me know. We'll definitely have videos that's going to be coming up. That's going to be super excited about all the food that I've been eating, all the research I've been doing. So we're going to bring out some recipes in the future. Now, let's talk about the real subject. Why I went vegan. I went vegan due to the fact that I was in so much pain after a double flip over car accident. And on top of that, okay, that was in 2017. In 2013, I was in the military and one of the anchor chains rolled over my big toe. Not the anchor itself, but the anchor chain. And that mug hurted like a... You get what I want to say. You get what I want to say, but it's okay. But I had all these pains from 2013 all the way up to 2020, and I was tired of it. I was sick of it. And January 2020, I decided to change my entire lifestyle. And it's not been easy. I can say I am fully committed to the vegan lifestyle. It has blessed me in so many different ways. I cannot explain how many different ways it's blessed me, but I can name a few. My stamina is up. I'm 32 years old. My stamina was going real down, really bad, and I was at 259 pounds. I'm at 228, 229. And, I've been fluctuating up and down with my weight, but that's because, I was still not fully committed. Let's be honest with it. It was because I wasn't fully committed. And I was eating processed vegan food, which is fine, but eating too much of it. Just what anything that's good for you, anything too much of a good thing is a bad thing. If it is a choice that you choose to make, it is solely up to you. Nobody can make this choice for you. This is a choice. This is going to be a lifelong choice. For me, I'm working on becoming a raw vegan, and that's no cooked meals, stuff like no cooked meals, no things that are processed. That's what I'm working myself up to. Now that I'm actually full-fledged vegan, there are so many opportunities to try new different types of food that I've never thought that was out there. I've been to vegan type of restaurants, and I've been to vegan countries, mostly vegan countries like Malaysia, which is a phenomenal place to go get food if you're a vegan, by the way. Check it out. I'm definitely going to have to go back out there. I was in there when I was in the military, but I'm going to have to go back just to do a freaking video and actually immerse myself in the culture a little bit more, besides just 4 days. But this has been a real run for me. It's not easy to start off doing this, I'm not going to lie. So that's why I started off with a 10-day challenge for myself last year, which I should have, if I was taking all the stuff that I do now and I was serious with it, it would have been a definite game changer. But I did a 10-day challenge, and that's why I challenge you to do a 10-day vegan. I challenge you to do 10 days of being vegan. If you do it and you like it, you feel that your body is really changing and adapting to having less pain, less inflammation, because that's most of what it is. It's the food that we eat that causes inflammations. There's also things that are outside factors. But let's be real. Whatever we eat we consume it, and then it consumes us. If you're consuming, for me, not, again, this is my life choice. It's not for you for me to criticize anybody with eating. For me, my life choice is to eat things that have life, an abundance of it, that is still alive when I eat it. I choose to do that due to the fact that all those pains, it wasn't because I wanted to save the animals. I wasn't like that, sorry. But it was a choice that I wanted to make because it makes me feel better from the inside out. My skin is a lot clearer. My skin is more clear. My face is fully more vibrant. I've been losing weight, as you guys can tell. Oh, your boy been losing weight. Yeah, let's get it. So, whatever you decide to do as your life choice, if you decide to go vegetarian, if you decide to go all these different things, pescatarian, different, all these different views, whatever you choose to see fit, you eat, you consume. But it's not my right to tell you how to eat. At all. I'm not you. You have to live the life you decide to. Nobody can make that decision for you. And I just want to let you guys know, whatever choice you decide to, that is phenomenal. That's awesome. While you're living the life you choose to. You are. And that's commendable. And that's why I'm doing it. It's because it's the way I feel I need to live. What do you guys like to eat? You guys let me know. What do you guys eat on a daily basis? Are you vegan? Are you vegetarian? Recommend one of your favorite dishes if you're vegan or vegetarian, of course. But at the end of the day, if you like to eat meat, you just like to eat meat. Eat meat. Eat meat if that's going to make you happy. For me, it makes me happy to not have so many pains in my neck, pains in my kneecaps, pains in the back of my neck. Oh, just like that. What's something that you're doing that's helping you and developing you to be the person you want to be, your authentic self? What does your authentic self look like? Who do you want to be? I love you guys. And this is my journey, yo. Come support. Even if you don't want to become a vegetarian or vegan, come support. I love you guys. Stay safe, all right? It's 2021. It ain't over yet.